ever, ever, ever?
Well, actually a lot. Pero for now, last Christmas po. Yung
Teka, you know, Winston, I forgot how it goes. Parang gusto natin.
Ako din, I forgot.
Yung rendition ni Winston ng Last Christmas.
Last Christmas, you gave me my heart. But the very next day, you gave it away. These tears, you gave it from tears. I gave it to someone special.
Yeah. Who's that special someone you're gonna give to, Winston?
Of course, our encore.
Ang galing talaga sumagot. But that is definitely a Christmas classic right there. For Jerome naman. Jerome, as we all know, the holidays is all about family and friends. Who, hindi what, pero who do you look forward to spending the most time with during Christmas?
For me, my little sister.
Because like since last year, hindi ko siya nakakasama ulit sa Christmas. And I think,
Now is we're gonna make your Christmas extra special. Guys, every time I watch you sing and dance, lagi kong naisip na, shucks, you know, I would love to learn how to sing and dance like them. Like, wouldn't it be so cool if we could get one-on-one private lessons from the Boys of Horizon? Who would want that?
Dance lessons daw.
Dance lessons. So, eto ang mangyayari ngayon. Isa-isa po tayo. Sige, can we split in half? We're gonna ask each member to call on a lucky anchor to join us for a dance showdown. Are you ready?
Sinong dancer dyan?
Kapisado nyo ba yung moves nila? Okay. Kailangan, ilabas nyo na yung confidence nyo. Let's start with, okay, Vinci, asan ka na? Vinci, ang ganito. Vinci, your lucky student anchor for the day is...
She is Shira Clarice Terrano!
Shaira! Asan na Shaira?
Hello, are you here?
Shaira siya na starstruck. Shaira, don't be shy.
You're going to be dancing with us.
Come and join us. Okay.
Why don't you come and join us?
Next naman, Marcos.
Okay.
Marcos, I have strong confidence in you here kasi grabe yung training mo simula bata pa lang. I'm sure matuturuan mo yung lucky anchor na to well so that they can win this showdown of our special edition of the SMP.
Yeah, we're ready.
Confident ka ba?
Yes, we're so confident. She's a fast learner.
Here we go. DJ, music, 3, 2,
Music,
1.
just say yo!
By chance? Not bad. All right, second team. Let's call on Team Marcus and lucky anchor number 2.
I am confident in Ate Ray.
Marcus, SM ano ka talaga? Prodigy ka talaga. Ganda mo, ha?
Go ahead!
Team Marcus, DJ, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Alam mo, disco winner na talaga silang lahat dito, no? Kahit walang prize, ito na yung prizes nyo. Ang galing naman. Okay, let's keep this moving. Team number 3, Winston and lucky anchor 3. Kanina pa kayo nag-rehearse. You got this. DJ, let's go!
Let's go!
All right, one of our younger members, we have Tyler now. And lucky anchor number 4. You can do this, Kaya. Let's go, DJ, music!
Hello, una ka! Ay! Gumawa go,
Ah.
let's go. Let's go!
Sinaan na lang sa finger hearts. I love it. Okay, we have 2 more to go. Team Kim and Lucky Anchor 6. It's your time to shine.
Let's go!
Alright, Team Kim.
Kim, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. You can do it.
Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Together, huh?
We can do it, guys. Para mo.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go.
Kuyang-kuya talaga. Good job, good job. Okay, one more team to go. Team 7, Racer.
Kabahan na kayo.
Maxine. Eto na. Pull out. Palaban. Palaban. 3, 2, 1. DJ, go. Naman dyan. Pinamayor mo talaga, no? Pinamayor mo. Kayo ha, ang galing mo ha. Gusto. Okay. As mentioned earlier, it is all up to you. Sino ang sa tingin nyo ang winner natin today? Okay, medyo mahirap. Let's go through them one by one as loud as you can, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Team Vinci! Alright. What did you think? Ang pinakamautang kanina, Team Kyler!
Originality.
Team Jerome! Yung sigaw mo yung pinakamalakas Jerome yan. Okay, Team Kev! And of course, Team Racer! Okay, I think we have a winner! Give it up for our Dance Showdown Champion of the Night, Team Kylo! Kyler, may meeting daw kayo ng SM mamaya.
Inatang ko yun.
Palakpakan naman for all the teams that are Let's go! Congratulations. Thank you very much. You guys can take a quick break. The prizes are waiting for you. Good job. Good job. Si Kyler kanina, no? Sabi ko, wow, napaka-creative niya pala at gumawa ng sayaw na basta-basta lang. So dahil mahilig kang gumawa ng original dance on the spot, I feel like deserve ng anchors ngayon.
Oh.
Di ba? I think they deserve an original break dance performance right now. Okay lang ba yun? Anything you wanna do, all on you. Kailangan namin sample! Kaya ba, kaya?
Okay guys, sino yung
sumayo dito ng sticky.
Tigil din daw.
Dati, sino?
Oy, gusto mo ba tumawag ng anchors?
Yeah!
Pwede ba?
No.
Pwede ba kayo? Hindi, okay, Kyler. Dapat daw ikaw muna. Sample mo, pakitaan mo kami ng galing mo.
Okay, okay.
Okay ba?
Let's go.
O sige, ladies and gentlemen, do you want me to hold your mic? Give it up for Kyler!
ないよこのスワップ俺たちにしかないスワップ肩の力抜いてラップラップ遊び働いて曲が夢で深く根は深くそんでパスポートに増やすスタンプロード
Everybody! Oh, kala ko mag-flip ka ba? Alright, you can take a well-deserved break muna. Salamat, Kyler. Nag-enjoy mo